Hey everyone, I have up for bids a brand new, newly released 1992 Ford Bronco, New York Police Department, NYPD by Greenlight Artisan Collection, which is going to be limited production. Super detailed in 1/18 scale, with great markings, great details overall, with the chrome wheels, NYPD markings on the sides. Features removable back opening tailgate. Oh, let me see. And opening front doors. Let me see if I can get them. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. So take over a little look at it. It's very detailed with beautiful black interior. The 9-volt battery obviously knows it features working lights and siren. Let me turn them on. As you can see, the light bar on the roof has got the red, white flashing lights. On the front we have the flashing headlights with a solid amber lights and a strobing red grille lights. And on the back we have the flashing red tail lights. Great model. Again, runs off just this one 9-volt battery. Easy to replace, as you can see. Just take out, replace, put the new one in there. This is the bottom of it. The bottom's also very detailed. This is number 94, so they were just released, I say 2 or 3 weeks ago. I just finished building it today. This is the on and off switch for the lights and a push button for a siren. Turn on the siren so you can see. Oh, battery's a little weak. Sorry about that, the battery's a little weak. I will put a fresh brand new battery in there, but it does come with a siren. Top goes right back on. It's kind of not the greatest design, but you just got to get it on there. It does come with its box, which is right here on the back. It'll be packed for safe delivery. This is the first one I've done. I don't know how I'll be doing many or few, depends on the interest. I did the CHP, only one person bid, so that one probably is not going to be built too many times. This one, again, depends on interest. If people are interested and want to bid on it, I'll do more. If this is it, the only one that's one person bids, then probably this will be it, or might do 1 or 2 more in the future, 2-3 months from now. But if you're interested, again, it's on eBay. Please ask all questions before you bid. Thanks for watching.